Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. Now, so today we are going to react to a video from Niana's channel. There's also a request reaction. I mean, medyo matagal na tong request, no? So I'm just backtracking sa mga old requests natin. We have Who's Most Likely Challenge with SB19. So this Niana SB19 collaboration. We did react to one of their videos with Niana na sumayaw sila sa gitna ng daan, no? But now we have Who's Most Likely To. I mean, they did Who's Most Likely To just recently, right? Yeah. Well, I'm really excited with this, man. Without no further ado, let's get it.
First question pa lang to guys, gawin sila.
Pag nasira ang SB19, si Niana ang
May kasalanan.
Ako sabihin ko, pag may stress style.
Mukhang ano, medyo
Lo, kanina niya baka
ano daw?
kasalanan.
Ako sabihin ko,
In my opinion, one
pag may
stress.
stress style. Style ng naan.
Lo, kanina niya baka pinag-uusapan pagod ha.
Pagod to, hindi ka talaga mo.
Hey,
Let's go.
one, two.
Where the party people at?
What is up, party people? Guess who we're meeting today? Yes, we are meeting with the one and only SB19. We have a lot of mentions we're planning to collab, and now it's actually happening. We actually met before in TikTok Awards, but now it's actually time we get to
Oh.
meet and talk.
Okay, so I guess this is I guess the first time. So I guess mas nauna to kasi dun sa sumayaw sila sa daan, ganun ba?
We're about to do something very, very exciting. We're actually here in their studio right now. Let's go in. Ano nakakatakot? SB19 nandito daw. Hello, po! Hi,
They're on the old studio.
Yes, sir. Ayan! Idol.
What's up?
So yan, I'm here with the
So-
idols. So can you give us a little bit tour of the studio?
So first, welcome to our paradise.
Yes,
Paradise.
paradise.
Studio namin, tawag namin is The Zone. The Zone. So yun yung tagline namin. The Zone. And this is our zone, get in the zone. So before, we are still getting in the zone, but right now, we
We're
are
on
in
the zone.
Oh, nice!
Nandito po, nandito yung awards. Dito namin dinisplay. Wish, from Mix, TikTok, and other.
Doon kami nag-meet.
Yeah! Actually, yung Wish, ayun, dun sa kabila, another. Kasi hindi na kasha.
Di na ka.
Hindi na kasha, no? Hindi na kasha. Sobrang dami, hindi na kasha.
Ayun, dito kami nag-training, nag-practice, araw-araw.
Alright, so before we rehearse, I'd like to know you guys more. So we're playing a game called Who's Most Likely? Let's go!
Let's go! Get it!
Dahil award ng S19, no? Alam.
Before we actually start the challenge, what songs we're doing later? Bazinga, One, and Go Up. Kinakabahan ako. Mahirap yung sayaw.
Easy lang sa'yo. Feeling ko, sabi mo, yung step, patingin nga ng step. Tapos pag sabi ako, okay po, tara sabay.
Kabisado agad. We'll find out later. For now, let's start the challenge.
Oh,
First
well,
question.
I mean, is this before they actually rehearse para doon sa sumayaw sila sa stoplight? So they made this video. Tapos after na mag-rehearse sila para doon sa steps ng sayo ng SB19, which is kasama si Niana. Ganun ba?
Who's most likely to blow all their money on an impulse buy?
Oh, I guess it's Ken. I don't know why. Ken yung naisip ko. Because again, sabi ni Ken, di ba? Gusto niya i-reward yung sarili niya, no? You know, mga damit. And alam natin na very passionate si Ken pagdating sa fashion.
First question pa lang to guys, gawin sila. Hindi ako na lang.
Talaga ba?
nasira ang SB19, si Niana ang
May kasalanan.
Who's most likely to cancel plans at the last second?
Ooh.
Hindi, gito kasi magpapaliwanag ako.
Oo, nagpaliwanag pa, no? May paliwanag pag nangyari.
Ba't ka nag-e-explain?
Oo nga eh.
No.
Pero yung gano'n na rin.
Who's most likely to spend more hours playing online games?
Oh, I guess it's maybe either Josh or Ken. May galit yun ah.
Recently, nag-chatting nga ako
tired?
Throw a fit when tired? Like, pag pagod na, babato na lang yung mga damit, ganun ba?
Ako speed ko, pag may stress.
Bro, kanina niya baka
Diyo!
Sabi niya kay Pablo, turo natin si Stella.
Okay, yung pala yung binubulong.
Guys, nandito yung manager natin. Tanungin natin kung sino yung pinakamareklamo. Pinag-uusapan pagod ha?
Pagod o hindi na reklamo ko.
Basta yung mga reklamo ko, reklamo. Reklamo policy.
Who's most likely ready to sleep anywhere?
Kasi lagi tulog.
Killing spree ka na.
Who's most likely to cry at K-dramas?
I guess it's Stel.
Stel! Hoy! Paano mo nasabi? Hoy! Hindi na parang next na.
It's Stel.
Who's most likely to be a comedian?
It's Stel.
Mag-sample nga daw ng jokes.
Ano sa kanya is very spontaneous. Ang right joke, dapat yan, hindi planado.
Okay.
Mamaya na lang.
Galing si Stel sa mga impromptu.
Who's most likely to take long hours in getting ready for a performance?
Ako ba? Parang tagal ako. Parang wala. Kasi
Kasi may ano
may
naman
parties kami.
Ako ata.
Okay.
Yan. Okay. Who's most likely to have the most bashers on social media?
Oh, getting spicy in here. Who's the most bashers on social media? Sino ba, no? Parang wala akong maisip,
Ako siguro. Dami akong basher ko.
Pero feeling ko honest na meron.
Well, I guess, pwede natin sabihin yun because Ken also has the most or has, the most fans out of them 5. Right? So may pinakamaraming fans, of course. Kalakip ng pagiging mas maraming fans is mas maraming bashers, of course, right? Katulad din yun ng kalakip ng pagiging sikat, pagkakaroon ng mga bashers, right? Kasi hindi ka naman magiging sikat, wala ka naman magiging basher kung hindi ka sikat. Something like that, right? Maybe that's
Kung relevant ka ngayon.
yeah.
Ako kasi yung basher, hindi ko sila talaga. Kaya wala akong basher.
Fair enough.
Uh-huh.
Next. Who's most likely to forget appointments
Nope.
/ schedules?
Hindi na ito kailangan pa
hindi na kailangan sabihin, no? Tinignan na lang.
Kung content, late siya eh.
Ay! Meron ba?
Nakakalimutan.
Buti ka di ka nakalimutan yung today.
Okay, who's most likely to be Batman in real life?
Oh.
Yan, pag mga superhero.
Wow.
Hindi ka pa na mamaya ka sa akin. Oo nga, ba't mo na ba?
Wala pa siya! Who's most likely to do weird things?
In public? Ayan na si Kitty Pablo in public.
Bigla ka nagtutwerk sa
Who's most likely to
Ako
be
ba?
the best and the worst one?
Ang bilis no? Kasi, take the best photo, pero worst? I don't know. I never see the Justin have like a worst or pangit na photo. I guess, pwede yung kung sino yung kukuha para sa'yo. Like, for example, picture ka sa kanya, ganun ba?
Just kasi mahilig siya mag-talk.
Yeah. So, ganun nga, no? Kasi ang nasisip ko, sino yung photo nila mismo. So, parang hirap pumanot ng pangit na angle. That's one of the unfair things about Justin, no? Ang hirap pumanap sa kanya ng parang angulo na pangit. But if we're talking about, like, them taking pictures, most probably it's Justin as well because I feel like Justin always make vlogs, 'di ba? Sabi nga nila. Also photos pag may pupunta siyang lugar, right? Kaya sabi nila pag nawala yung cellphone or ano ni Justin, wala.
Pag best, Justin. Best.
Justin talaga.
Who's likely to have a lot of crushes?
Oh.
Delete na lang dapat mag-talk.
Who's most likely to worry about the small things?
Justin.
Justin? Yeah, I guess. But also Pablo, if you think about it, right? Because he overthinks a lot.
Who's most likely to use online dating apps?
Ay!
Oh, none. Okay.
Wala na, wala.
Oo, kasi wala ka.
Parang sir.
I mean, I feel like they don't have to. I feel like they don't have to. They don't actually have to. No? If they want to, they can have a, no? No, that's one of the unfair things about them. If they actually want to have someone, hindi ko naman siya sabi na lahat ng babae, binabato na lang yung sarili nila para dito sa lima, pero, you know what I mean, right?
Okay, check yung phone ko. Kahit check yung phone ko.
Who's most likely to make false starts?
Baby sister, yung mga ganun kwento ko, acting yun, nagkukumari ako.
Okay lang yan.
Oo, yun na nga yun eh.
Pero, hindi yung actor.
Who's most likely to scream at a flying cockroach?
Ang tahimik lang ni Justin na yan lang yung mukha niya eh, no? Napatingin na lang sila eh.
Okay, who's most likely to use side B
Side B of the...
of their underwear?
Hindi ako nagsaside B. Wala na side A all the way.
Side A. Side A all the way na walang palitan. Oh, man. Side B? What the hell? I never actually just, like did that in my life, no? Like pag mo how are we talking about this? Pag yung maduwi na yung brief mo, kasi sa side B mo, ganun ba?
Side A all the way for more days.
All the way for 4
Oh my
days.
God, masusang-sang ka pa sa tinola. Alam mo, ito ka na, nag-side.
Who's most likely to lose their phone?
I just lost mine.
Ang dos?
Pablo, sa Korea, wala yung phone.
Okay,
Michael Jackson
who's
na
most likely to court a celebrity?
Oh.
Oh!
Naging magiging Lion King si Stella. I guess it's Josh. I guess. I don't know, man. Kaya ko lang nasabi si Josh kasi maraming tropa si Josh na celebrity eh. No, kaya ko lang nasabi. Stell kasi is marami din siyang friend na celebrity but Stell is too friendly, no? It's too friendly. Si Josh din naman, pero si Josh kasi may pagkaano eh. Paano masabihin to? Pagka-romantic. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like si Josh kasi mas marami siyang friend na celebrity. Or can we count like famous people na hindi celebrity yung famous lang sa social media, ganyan. Can we count those people? Ginawa na lang niya, hindi na tinuro, no? Wala lang nagsalita. Wala lang sa tawan-tawan naman si Niana dito.
Akala ko magmamatigas pa eh. It's normal. It's normal. May crush.
Yeah, I mean, come on. If it's a celebrity, it's good looking, right? And Josh is also good looking. I mean, right now, si Josh is in a celebrity status as well, so I'm not seeing anything wrong with that. But yung yung inadmit na lang no? Wala, yung iba nag-react lang pero di siya tinuro eh. Siya na mismo yung kusa, alam niya na.
Pero hindi ko alam kung consider na celebrity. Alam na naman nila yun, lahat.
Marami kang crush eh.
Hindi. Ano lang talaga, pag may crush ako, crush lang talaga na. Alam niyo na ako kung sino yun? Sino?
Akala ko si ano.
Ayun, siya yun naman siya.
Okay, next.
Oh! What the fuck? Sino yun? Now I want to know. Now I want to know. Josh! Oh, I forgot we can read comments now in here. Oh man, YouTube. We can read comments now in here. Do we have someone? Oh man, mukhang wala.
Ulit!
Parang gusto na
Ikaw din. Who's most likely to eat everything on a buffet?
Tapos di ubusin. Yan, oo, ganyan yan.
Hindi ko sila matikman lahat.
Bakit ikaw?
Ako? Dahil ako.
Who's most likely to sleep without washing their feet?
Oh, it's not me.
Okay, sorry.
I mean, we all know, Stel is, kahit dati pa, no? Stel is, talaga, may mga skin care routine talaga siya dati pa.
Who's most likely to have the messiest bath?
Patay na ang bat nyo.
Who's most likely to stay up all night to work?
I mean, by the way, I'm just saying this na in-emphasize ko na dati pa because maybe we have like a basher watching this video na sabihin na porket good-looking na si Stel ngayon. I mean, if you guys watch old vlogs of Stel, kahit hindi pa siya nagpapa-enhance ng mukha, nag-skin routine na siya. No? Okay?
Ikaw na sana ko.
I'm sorry, what is the question now? Who's most likely to stay up all night to work?
Who's most likely to stay up all night to work?
I guess it's Pablo.
Ikaw na sana ko.
Why is like my fault? Totoo nga naman, no?
Nagkakaw ka na. Parang sa ka.
Who's most likely to get into a
Oh, I guess it's Ken or si Josh. Or maybe Pablo as well, a little bit. But I guess it's Ken and Josh.
fight?
Sa road ako. Ganyan, patient ako pag
Oh, talaga ba?
Who's
Ang inisip ko kasi, for example, pag merong na sa kanila, no? Na agrabyado, for example, may nang-ipis isang member, most probably, ang unang darating para humarap kung sino man yon is si Josh or si Ken.
most likely to get the most piercing?
Ako dami. Ako.
It's...
Ilan ang
Oh,
piercing?
talaga ba?
5, dapat 7 yun. Dapat 7.
Who's most likely to go to jail?
Sa mga sa pag gumawa kami ng movie, gusto mo yung psycho ka, di ba? Piling ko wala mo punta sa amin sa jail.
Saka na lang pag na-jail na siya. Kasi hindi naman natin malapag.
I don't know, yeah. I mean, hindi ko maiisip, no? Masyado silang respectful, eh. Masyado silang mapagbigay. Silang lima in general, no? Lalo na si Justin, no? Baka nga siya pa mag-sorry sa'yo kahit kami kasalanan, eh. But all of them, no, in public, sobrang nila, eh. Parang hirap nilang mapunta sa away kung di sila sisimulan. Kahit nga siguro simulan mo sila, kailangan pa talaga na gumawa ka ng sigurong pangit na bagay sa kanila bago sila pumalag sa'yo. Yeah, I don't see them going to jail. Totoo lang.
Tsaka na ganun.
Who is most likely to star in a movie? Yeah. Who is most
Why? Estelle din. Who's most likely to be broken when someone leaves the group? Oh. I mean, I assume lahat sila. I'm getting disappointed kung hindi, no? I mean, to tell you honestly, kung alis yung isa sa kanila, I'm not gonna watch the journey anymore, no? Pag-apat na lang. Sinong sa atin dito agree? No? I mean, I'm gonna still listen to like their song from time to time. Also, may kinig pa rin ako sa mga lumang kadala. Pero pag nawala isa sa kanila or umalis, di ba? Natanggal, umalis. Tapos may magkapatuloy pa rin yung apat kahit I feel like hindi na the same. I don't know. I mean, kasi I feel like pag may umalis sa kanila, they can just disband, no? Let the SB19 legacy be, a legacy. Then they can do like, their individual career if that's the case, no? Kung yun naman mangyayari, just for example, right?
most likely to be broken when someone leaves the group?
Lahat. Broken and
Yeah, okay. That's why you guys are my boys. Let's go.
Same.
Alright! Okay, so we just finished the challenge. As you can see, look at their faces full of powder. Have you guys seen yourselves? Look at the mirror.
Konti nung sa akin. Pre! Holding on your Jabawaki.
Jackson, how's your experience for the challenge?
It's very overwhelming and I'm very happy. Joke lang.
Well, happy.
Feeling ko magkakahika ako din sa challenge na to.
Ikaw. Lalo ikaw.
Ang lala nung kay Josh, yung kapal. Ang kapal na eh.
Kailangan ko ng hostisya. Ako I like this content kasi
Kailangan ko ng hostisya. That's actually a wordplay, by the way. It's a ghost, hostisya.
itong content naman gusto kayo mag-aaway kami. Ako talaga hinihintay ko eh. Mamaya may apuntan pa akong kid party.
Ako, I'm happy dahil nakapaggamit na ako ng powder for a long time.
Alright.
Ako hindi ako happy kasi wala si Nayan.
Kaya na yan. Okay, you guys can watch his face now.
Alright, well that is again Niana. Now, who's most likely challenged with SB19? Meron pang haha, no, sa huli. But yeah, I mean, that's just an enjoyable video. There's a lot of interesting things, no, na natin based on sa mga questions, and I'm just so proud sa pinakahuli, no, na pag may umalis na isa who's most likely to be broken sa pangyayari, and I'm proud na lahat silang lima, no. But that's the reaction for today, man. Sana nagustuhan nyo yun. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mo maglalabot yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, get active tayo dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome and peace.